everyone, how's it going? Just got back from school. As you can see, I'm wearing my regular white shirt. My hair's a mess. But I got back from school, got a message on my email, of course, that my RAM arrived. Right here. Got it from eBay. I was gonna buy it from Crucial, but I found it on eBay cheaper, same type of RAM, same brand. Actually, I think it's the same brand too. Not really sure, but really cheap. Brand new RAM actually. So I'm not gonna do an unboxing because it's not really an unboxing. I'm gonna do an upgrade video. I'm gonna upgrade my beautiful Intel aluminum iMac, 2 GB of RAM to 4 GB of RAM. That has two 1 GB sticks. This has two 4 GB sticks. I mean, two 2 GB sticks. So I'm gonna do the upgrade video. So first let me show you. Here's the RAM. I'll open that up now. Screwdriver. The RAM on the Macs, on iMacs at least, they go right down there. On this grill right here, there's a screw. Yeah, you can sort of see it. There's a screw right around there. You undo that screw and just pull out the RAM. It's probably the only upgrade you can do to an iMac, since everything else is internal and you can't open up the iMac. So first, let's open up the RAM. Let's just open it up. It's just RAM in a bag. Here are the RAM sticks themselves. They're very small RAM sticks because this is iMacs use what is known as SODIMM memory. SODIMM RAM sticks are basically laptop memory sticks. So yeah, let's start the upgrade. Usually, what people do to upgrade an iMac would be unplug everything, put it down on its face flat, and open up the RAM from the bottom. I don't really want to do that, so I'm just gonna unplug everything. Okay, so I basically had no choice. I had to put it down. Here's the machine. I haven't actually moved this machine at all. I forgot how sexy it looks from the back. So now we just pull. See here, we just pull that up. Actually has how to install the new RAM instructions right there. I'm gonna try to angle this in a way so you can see everything. Alright, so I'm just gonna unscrew the one little screw that holds all this together. Now, when you're actually working with any computer, you should discharge yourself of any static electricity, because that static electricity can really f up a computer. So to do that, you will just get to like something grounded, usually something metally grounded. Just touch it, and that should discharge you of any static electricity you should have in your body, if you have any. I chose a faucet. I don't even know that's really grounded, but I thought it would work. Okay, so the screw is off. Here's the little platelet. Let's open up the RAM. So here we have two 2 GB sticks of SODIMM RAM laptop memory. Alright, let's install. First, on an iMac, to take out the RAM, you would first take out this little plasticky thingy, and it says just pull out the RAM, but that isn't happening. Okay, so it wasn't as easy taking out the RAM from this computer because it took a bit of jimming, but here it is. Here are the old sticks of RAM. Each of them are 1 GB. Samsung. See, Samsung. 1 GB. You should see it there somewhere. Now, time to install the new RAM. Now, the new RAM, it's the front of the RAM always faces the front of the computer, iMac based. This is the back of the RAM. You can tell because of that little thing there. The front does not have that right there in the middle. Also, the front usually where the sticker is. Okay, so I just heard it click in. We'll do the other stick. I was mistaken actually. On the it is on these sticks around. This is the back, but on these, this is the front. So on these specific sticks. But whatever. RAM is RAM. Sodium RAM, laptop memory. Just stick it in. Hear it click. It's in tight. That's what she said. And just stick this back in there. I could say that's what she said, but I'm not going to, even though I just did. And there we go. Everything's nice and snug in there. That's what he said. Mixed it up a little bit. I said he instead of she. Okay. Now I need to find my screwdriver, and I'm gonna put this back on. Okay, this is the most nerve-wracking part. I already cleaned up the screen from all the fingerprints and all the dust. Here comes the most nerve-wracking part, because this is the part we actually find out if we installed it right. The boot up. If it boots up normally without any problems, it should be fine. So let's go. That can't be good. Oh, f. Okay, let's try this again. I can tell you right now, I got scared shitless. Like, my chair that is green, it's actually a green chair. I don't know if you could tell, but whatever. I guess okay. Well, that green chair is now brown. Yeah, I shitted. Okay. It turns out I reopened the Mac. It turns out that one of the RAM sticks wasn't stuck in completely. I didn't push it in all the way. That's what he said. So let's try this again. Hope to God this works. Oh my God, I am literally shitting. Okay. There we go. Oh, okay. White screen. Where's the Apple logo? There's the Apple logo. Alright, so far so good. Where's my pinwheel? Where's my pin? Well, this actually might take a little bit longer to boot, because the first time booting with new RAM, but after this boot, it should be as snappy as it was before. It boots up perfectly fine right now, blue screen, and there's my dock. There's my screen, there's my dock. Alright, let's find out if this worked. Ready? About this Mac. And what do you know? 4 GB of 800 MHz DDR2 SD-RAM SODIMM. It worked. Oh, thank God. I was shitting myself when I heard those 3 beeps. Phew. Okay. I'm okay now. 4 GB of RAM. Here are the other 2 GB. I'm probably gonna sell these on eBay, because I can get about 20 bucks for that, I'm guessing. Maybe more. Okay. Well, that was so close. So yeah. RAM upgrade went pretty well, except for that little minor problem, but that was my fault. I didn't push in the RAM all the way. But everything's okay now. Everything should run a lot faster, a lot smoother. I can now multitask a bit more. Run Photoshop. Well, I always could run Photoshop with a whole bunch of other applications at the same time, but now instead of having more than half my RAM used, I can have like a quarter of my RAM used. I'm glad. 4 GB. This is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This probably helped you guys some way, someone trying to upgrade their RAM. So yeah, till next time guys, see ya. My hands start. Ooh.